Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio espresso machine. Now this machine was broken because it was tripping the GFI when it was warming up. They tested in different outlets and it was still doing the same. When we tested the machine, we were able to use the machine after we disconnect the heating element. You see right here the heating element. There's a little crack over here and it was leaking around this area. So we need to replace that. We need to replace also the gasket of the heating element as well as the boiler gasket. Whenever you do something in the boiler, you need to replace those two to make sure it doesn't leak. We also replace the water pump. This one that you see right here, this is from 2014. And it's already been in the machine for quite a while and doing the job, so it's time to retire this water pump. And now we're gonna be testing the machine. Starting with one shot of espresso. Hopefully I pick up the right grind sense of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see through coffee or coffee barely dripping. And what I did not tamper very well, we're seeing in shot that is pretty fast. We're not gonna have it crema as well. There you go. Probably need to tamper a bit more and probably use a much finer grind. We still got a little bit of crema, but we could have gotten much better shot than that. And as you can see here, we have a little bit of water on the puck as well, and it could totally use a bit more coffee and temporarily harder. However, for this machine, we're gonna test it out too. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent. I'm gonna test the steamer as well. And it's gonna take the machine a bit for the boiler to get to that temperature, as this is a single boiler machine, and it takes a little bit of time to fully pressurize into the boiler to make steam. As you can see in our chart, even though it was pretty fast, we got a little good layer of crema on top of it, as you see right here. This will be enough to have a little bit of steam. It's not fully ready. In order for this machine to be fully ready, this light needs to go off. But for us to test the machine, it will be perfectly fine. As you can see, a nice strength coming out of the machine. A little bit wet because it's still not fully ready pressurized, but as you can see, we're getting good steam coming out of the one. There you go, it's enough. Nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Working perfectly. So there you have it, Rancilio Silvia, not tripping the breaker with a brand new pump and ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing Mechanic Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.